Well, guys, good morning. Good morning. It's Megan Ryan, and I'm back actually with a not bad day trading recap. Although I have one stop, and yeah, so I shorted mostly just short snap. At first, I shorted it here. I know it's kind of extended, so this moved about. This first candle moved about 15 cents, 16 cents. So I know this is a bit of a chase. This was a chase. I know that, but that's why I got out right away when it made a new high in here. And look at that squeeze. I'm really glad I got out because I know I'm no arval, and I know I'm in a really bad entry because VWAP is here, open is here. Entry could have been nicer here if I did not enter this. I could have been nicer here. So what I did was once I recognized it's squeezing, and then I told myself, okay, that squeeze is 25 cents. That's actually like 2% move. So that's and let's see what happens. So I actually just shorted it here, really tight risk. But I was gonna get out right just at 50 because it rejected 50. I have a level of 48, so just those two numbers, like very easy. When it rejects, just sometimes it's because it's within a round number, half round number, and I also have a level here, so that gave me confidence that it's probably gonna reject more. I took a short here, and look what happened. It rejected, took profit all the way here, and I was really happy. And I was almost all out here, added here, and then took more profit and had to leave. So yeah, and then it just took profit here by itself because I sent a trailing stop on that one. So yeah, I was also watching MC, but there was no volume in the first minute, and then I did not see it as well. It was just too fast. But I could have traded this at 24, a breakout of 24. Actually, that was my plan. It rejected this area here, 23.85. So I have this level here, these two levels here. These levels are from yesterday. I did not do any levels from AMC. So yeah, let's look at Snap again. Actually, I caught most of the move, so I'm really happy with it. Let's look. Okay, so I first shorted it at 12.25. Yep, here 12.25. I stepped out at somewhere 32, so that's about 10 cents loss. I was risking 20 cents on that one, so kind of half loss in there. And this one 47, so really tight risk. I think I was risking 10 cents on that one, and then look at that. It's really good move. So I caught most of the move there. About somewhat 40 cents. Yeah. But of course, I did not get the 40-cent move in there because I was taking partials here. Heavy here. I was actually heavy here as well, taking a lot of 25% here. And then, yeah. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. And add here, took profit, and last one out here. So shorted at 12. No. Wait, where's my first short? Yeah, so this was the ad. So yeah, this was the ad. This was my short, 47. Look at that. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna stop out 50 in case. I know that because it's a tight risk, and I got stopped here as well. Yeah, but AMC could have been a nice trade. Look at AMC. This could have been nice. So it moved about 50 cents on this first candle. So I'm pretty sure I'll be risking 30 cents on this one. So move 50 cents. So 24. That's like $1 move. That's good. More than $1 move. So that could have been a nice trade. But since the volume came in here, I probably won't enter right away. Maybe 24.20. So 24.20. So that's still almost $1 move. So if you risk 30 cents on that one, you get 90-cent move. Very good. Yeah. Oh, let's look at my scanner. Because Yeah, so this was the one I was watching earlier. As you can see here, you can see it. You see, yeah, you can see. As you can see here, really nothing. Pre-market, imagine Snap has 1 million, and the thing with Snap is the RVOL is only 48 cents. Oh, not 48. It's 48.48. So that's like half. I prefer it's above 1. I prefer if it's above 1. And change meaning like from previous day close only 1%. I prefer if it's within 3%, up above 3%, below 3%. That's why I was kind of short bias in this one, because it's really close to previous day close. And I said, okay, maybe it's gonna be red for the day. See, I didn't have anything here. XPEV, yeah, 300,000 volume, not a lot. Pins, I checked the pre-market action, price action, really messy. Let's look at that. The way I look at it, let's look at pins. So if you see that, look at that. If you see the pre-market is like this, that's a no-no. Compare it to Snap. That's the pre-market of Snap. So this, let's look at the pre-market. So this is the pre-market. Actually, is better. So if you zoom in a little bit, you see the candles are better than the than pins. So let's go back there. Yeah, really nothing. KO, Coca-Cola doesn't move that much. I don't trade that. Yeah, slow mover as well. So really empty watch list. That's why I still have AMC, because I've traded AMC yesterday. Yeah, so I've been talking so much here. Let's watch. So if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media accounts. And let's watch my trade. Okay, here. Oh, 1 sec. Okay, there you go. It's back. So I'm trying to fast forward it. Anyway, so market opens. First minute, first few seconds, as you can see here, really no volume. Actually, there is a volume for Snap, 1 million, almost 1 million the first 20 seconds. So that's kind of like a bad sign. To kind of like good and bad. Sometimes if it's really strong, you can probably just ride the momentum. But as you can see here, it moved about 14 cents. So for me to get an entry somewhere, gonna be a nice entry would have been nice at 35 area. So let's look at AMC. AMC, no volume before. Okay, so really no volume, only 13,000 shares. As you can see here, it did show that red candle there. That's why I said, okay, let me try and risk just the high of this candle here. So that was a little bit late. So good entry, could have been nice at somewhere at 20, maybe 26. So look how wide my stop is, because it moved about 20 cents. So I kind of used 20 cents as my stop as well. And then when it turned blue, means it's, there's a buying pressure, because it's back in red. Volume is coming in. This is about 10-cent move. So you can tell that this is a 10-cent move. So that's about half of my risk. Okay, I can see that's moving again. There you go. I got out. So right away I got out, because I know I have to be careful. Waited, and look at AMC. Let's watch AMC. Volume came in crazy on AMC. 1 sec. Let's watch this quick, but we'll go back to Snap. Look at that. Volume came in. How much is the volume? 274. So it's still not bad. 300,000 volume. So you probably enter here. Yeah, there. So 12, 24, 31 is probably where you will enter. And that's about how much was that move? So that's about 50-cent move. That's crazy. So if me, I'm gonna probably trade it 30 cents. And there's a level here. Probably take profit on the pop. Boom, 25. Oh, huge orders there. Okay, it's continuing 15, 16. Probably take more profit at 25, 30, but I don't know where it went. Anyway, let's go back to my let's go back to my let's go back to my snap trade. So here, let's focus on this one because that's what we did. So okay, so let's look at this one. 54. Okay, so we're almost finished on the candle. So candle is almost finishing here, 54 seconds. So as you can see, it has 1250 here. It's a level. And moved about 25 cents. And this candle daily moved about 29 cents. Okay, I shorted. That was a really, really good short. Really, really good short. Yeah, I was risking 10 cents in that one. Yeah. Slowly taking profit in there. And that was quick. I was even shocked how it recovered. It's crazy. It made my day just right in this area already. So okay, looking at it now, I doubled my size because I was risking 20 cents here and then I risked 10 cents here. Yes. Just like that. Looking at AMC, I could have traded AMC. Could have been a better trade. So very simple, guys. Don't wait for it, like for this trade that I did here. Don't wait for it to touch your stop loss. Like if you see that it's not going your way, you can always get in and like get out, and you can always get in again. See, I missed that short, so I added there. Yeah, average is that 28. It's a good add. Took somewhere off. I had a feeling it's gonna go like I was pretty sure that's gonna go $12. Oh. Imagine trading 50-cent range. That's crazy, right? I only traded the range of this area here. Actually 40-cent range and make money out of it. That's insane. Okay, there's more sell-off there. Come on, 12-10. So this is a low day. Okay. I think I took profit here. Yeah, there's a selling pressure in there. Someone's holding it as well. 12. 16. Now it's back to 16, 18. Yeah, okay. So average is 27. So I have a good average. So actually just fast forward this a bit. So I left my desk at this point. Oh, look at that drop. 1205. That's amazing. Okay, this is where the battle begins. $12, round number. A lot of shares. Look at those shares. 1203, 1202. If the thing what happens here is if it breaks $12, it's gonna drop maybe 10 cents. And the thing is, it's the battle. Either buyers will step in to defend $12, or they will just let it go to the next level. Yeah, there you go. So they're kind of winning there. You can kind of trade $12 now, risk the low of day. So 07, 06. This is how I look. Like I don't look at candles anymore. I just look one time the 1205 and then I look at the number here. This is where I look the price here. 09, 010, 10, 09, 10, 12. This is where I look. And probably take profit at 1220 if you took it long. So I was all out there. Yeah. The trailing stop worked. Yeah, see, 1220, right? It did touch 1220. But that's only like a 1-to-1 risk reward, so you don't want that unless you enter the 1205, risk 5 cents. But I don't know, I don't do that. That's a really too risky trade for me. Yeah, so it was good. Pretty good day. So let's watch it again because I'm gonna teach you how I so when I traded this 20 cents, right? So when I traded this 20 cents, in my mind, like if I probably loses half of it, I'll just get out and find a re-entry. So that's exactly what I did here. So this is a 20-cent risk. If you risk 10 cents right away, because what I'm trading now is I trade bigger size at the open, so I don't have to worry about getting entries and exit so many times during the day. I can just trade 30 minutes, right? So that's the purpose of getting a one and done trade. The thing is, when you're trading this kind of style, you have to be really, really quick, and you have to learn how to accept a loss right away. Like this one, I know I'm losing already, right? So I'm at this point, I have 5 cents loss out of a 20 cents. Come on, let's play. Oh, that's so fast. Let's rewind a bit. Kind of lagging. 1 sec. I'm back. So I shorted there. Let's just fast forward this for maybe 3 times. So when I shorted it here, like I know my risk. I know if it goes more at 30, it's gonna probably just reverse back to my entry. So what's in my mind is just get out and just re-enter. If it goes back to 26, if I stop out here, if it goes back to 26, I'll re-enter short. Get out, yeah. So makes a new high, it means it's strong on the long side, right? So easy as that. And then it squeezes. So most of the time when it squeezes like this, let's say 2 to 3% of the stock. So 1% is 12 cents. 2% is 24 cents. So forth. Right? So this moved about 23 cents. So that's about 2%. 2% move in one candle, that's a lot. Even 3%, it's gonna be a lot. So it gives you an edge to win on the trade. Okay, so I shorted it there. Amazing. 1 sec. I don't know how to show you my stop. So my stop was actually at 57. So 57, yeah, that's my stop. That's about 10 cents. Average cost is 1247.50. So round up was 1248. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you something. 1 sec. Okay, let me show you this. So I saw this in S&B Capital. Somebody's fighting. My neighbor's fighting. Here's someone shouting. Anyway, so I think the way I trade, based on my understanding, is this one. So when I'm trading the open, I bet bigger, and I only need one trade, right? If on this one trade, I think the risk is about 350 per trade. 350 per trade. So if you're doing the equally sized bets, so every trade you make 350, every 1-to-1 you make $3.50. If you make 4-to-1, you make $4.14. If you make 8-to-1, you make 28 cents. So just look at the way I style my trade was right on the exponential size bets. I can't really explain this properly. It's up to you how will you understand my English, but I feel like I'm not explaining this properly. So yeah, so if you have a really good winning rate, even you trade half of it in 3 trades, you get out of this. This is what you get, right? So this is actually a way better trade bigger, but your winning rate must be really high. Be good, because if you trade, like small shares like this, you'll end up in 90 trades, you'll end up negative. Yeah, I don't know how to explain this properly, but looking at this, you can really literally see it. Yeah, so this is how I trade bigger. Most of the time, I risk per trade is 1% of my account. I also have shortcuts to risk 0.5% of my account. So it depends on the two, on my mood. Most of the time, it's 1% of my account. Yep. And that's my goal, just to make 1%. Even it moves crazy. If I make 1% a day, I'm done. I'm done for trading. I'm done trading. I don't care. As long as I'm consistent every day, I make 0.5%, 1%. If I make 2%, I'll be really happy. That's how it works for me. I make it consistent. Once I made a trade, I'm done. I'm stepping out. Very simple. Yeah, so if you like my video, thanks for watching. If whoever's watching, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media accounts. Bye.